Hey guys, welcome to the Messy Ass Jeffy Speed Shop for a quick behind the scenes video. It's getting cold. We need some heat, boys and girls. Oh look, I drew a bullseye on the wall. So yeah, we're gonna drill a hole, and then we're gonna cut some holes, and then we're gonna put some chimney stacks right through the wall. Sorry for the mess. Holy crap, is it messy in here? This is bad. But we got new projects. Well, I'm gonna make a video on those today. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. This makes me nervous. Fuck, that's a big hole. You see right outside the back of the shop. Oh, look, more firewood. Got a little update here. Got the outside piece on. Cut these to fit around this guy. Probably didn't really cut it enough, but that's okay. I can't go deep anyways. I'm gonna fill all this in with fire safe caulk and fire safe foam. That way we don't have a lot of drafts around here, because you know, that'd be gross. Little update here. We got the tin and the bracket, and it's definitely not crooked because I'm great at that stuff. Here's the first section of chimney. I need a friggin' weed whack. I got some brackets here, so that way we can go upwards, you know. All right, let's keep going. Really hard to do by yourself, but hey, it's up there, a little closer than I would like, but I don't think it's gonna hurt it. Triple wall insulated pipe. Gotta get a couple support brackets in here, maybe a little more schmoozy around the T, and we move to the inside. Yeah, Jeffy Speed Shop can do it all, just kind of terribly. Yep. Well, it's connected. Clearly got to clean the heater off there. I got to reseal around the edge of that. I kind of blew out my caulking. So I got to run to the hardware store, get more of that. And then, yeah, Friday night, I'll light a fire, clean this place up. Thanks for tuning in. Maybe we'll see you at the fire. All right, very shittily stacked in there. A couple days later, oh, come on. Let's get her going. Yeah. Well, we'll check on this in a few minutes. See how she's doing in there. Pretty excited about this, you know. Shop's full, like I said. Now we can start working all winter. You plug it in. I know the blower works, it's very noisy, so we'll check on that in a few minutes. Yeah. Can hardly even tell it's running. Fucker's so quiet. Guess I better get to work and start making some videos with this very quiet background noise.